I absolutely love what I do. For me, it is more than selling a car, but just seeing the joy that you create in a family and ensuring that as our customers commute, they're in the safest car in Jamaica, enjoying all the amazing technologies and features at a fingerprint, and also just being able to move from point A to point B in comfort and in fine style. Well, I'm a sales executive here. I sell Audis, and I've been doing that since 2018. Started as a sales trainee, and I was like the guinea pig. So that was the very first time that ATL had created that role, and the purpose of that role was to just have someone to help with the administrative part of the deals for the guys. Well, I say guys because at the time it was all males on the team, and then I started to go up the learning curve and started to bring in business as well, and from transition from being a sales trainee to now a sales executive. I absolutely love what I do. For me, it is more than selling a car, but just seeing the joy that you create in a family and ensuring that as our customers commute, they're in the safest car in Jamaica, enjoying all the amazing technologies and features at a fingerprint, and also just being able to move from point A to point B in comfort and in fine style. I have been more than happy. I mean, this is more than a job. It is a learning experience for me. It has been honing skills that I have not tapped into prior as a customer service representative at Scotiabank. The kind of a networking that it affords you, and just the face-to-face interaction with customer and a heart-to-heart connection that you have, it has been more than a joy. And the opportunities, of course, that it provides you both in your professional life and also, you know, in terms of your personal life, it helps you to really achieve goals that you've never been able to prior.
Traditionally, the auto industry is a male-dominated sector. How easy was it for you to fit in?
Well, it was very easy. Why it was very easy is because I knew most of the staff here at ATL, because they too were former employees at the bank. I was actually introduced to this job by one of the former employees at the bank who was my supervisor at that time, and so the transition was like coming home to family. And of course they would have nurtured me, taken me under their wings to really bring me up the curve, showing me stuff. I was like that little sister, as they always say, you know, that little annoying sister who is behind you everywhere you're going. I was like that little sister, and so because they were family, the transition really wasn't hard. The challenge was really being introduced to automotive, because that was completely new to me. I didn't drive. I didn't study cars. Cars were not my forte. I didn't grow up with a lot of cars in my house, and I didn't watch car shows prior. But I mean, with the kind of tenacity and the eager to learn and the drive to actually just help the team maneuver their day-to-day operation, it's really started to grow, and I really started to love it. I was born in Green Valley in the cool hills of St. Andrew. I was actually born at home in a very humble, deep rural community in St. Andrew, on the border of St. Andrew and St. Mary. To parents that were farmers and vendors. I attended the Holy Childhood High School for Girls, where I was the head girl in 2011, 2012. I wanted to be several things. I was so confused to the point that when I was graduating from high school, I did 10 subjects because I needed to have a spread of the arts, the business, and the sciences, that into university, whatever it is that I decided, at least I'll have 1 and 2 subjects to support. And so going even into university to study entertainment and cultural enterprise management, which is multidisciplinary too, I didn't really zero in on anything specific, but I had some likes. Like I wanted to be an air hostess at one point. I also wanted to be a teacher. The fact that my 4 eldest siblings were teachers, so I wanted to be a part of that. And then when I saw all the workload that they were bombarded with, I said, this is not for me.
Can you change your car time?
Of course I can, with some assistance, of course.